Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the PayPal invoicing not working issue. This problem usually happens if your account isn't set up properly, if there's a technical glitch, or if restrictions are placed on your account. First, make sure your PayPal account is verified with an active bank and card linked, because unverified accounts often can't send invoices. Next, check the Resolution Center to see if your account has any limitations that need to be resolved. If invoicing still isn't working, clear your browser's cache and cookies, or try creating the invoice through the PayPal mobile app instead. Also, confirm that you're entering all required details in the invoice, like the recipient's email, item description, and amount, because missing fields can prevent it from being sent. If you're trying to send invoices internationally, ensure that the recipient's country supports PayPal invoicing. Finally, if none of these steps work, reach out to PayPal support to check if there's a technical issue on their end. And that's it. That's how you fix the PayPal invoicing not working issue. Subscribe the channel for more videos.